Vibrant veggie stir-fry. Mom's go-to weight loss dinner often starts with a colorful stir-fry. She skillfully combines broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas, creating a vibrant and nutrient-packed dish. The veggies are lightly sautéed to preserve their crunch and essential nutrients. Quinoa and roasted vegetable bowl. A staple in her weight loss dinner repertoire is the quinoa and roasted vegetable bowl. Mom roasts an assortment of vegetables like sweet potatoes, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes to enhance their flavors. This is then served over a bed of protein-rich quinoa, making it a satisfying and wholesome meal. Zoodle Primavera. Mom has mastered the art of turning zucchini into delicious, low-carb noodles. Her Zoodle Primavera is a light and refreshing alternative to traditional pasta dishes. The medley of colorful vegetables bathed in a flavorful tomato sauce makes it both healthy and satisfying. Stuffed bell peppers. For a creative twist, Mom prepares stuffed bell peppers. With a mix of lean ground turkey, brown rice, black beans, and a variety of spices. These stuffed peppers are not only visually appealing but also a protein-packed, low-calorie option for a weight loss dinner. Cauliflower fried rice. Mom's cauliflower fried rice is a genius substitution for the traditional high-carb version. Finely chopped cauliflower takes the place of rice, and she adds an array of veggies, eggs, and a dash of low-sodium soy sauce to create a flavorful and guilt-free alternative. Spinach and mushroom quiche. Another dinner option Mom loves is her spinach and mushroom quiche. With a crust made from almond flour, this quiche is loaded with protein-rich eggs, spinach, and mushrooms. It's a tasty, satisfying dish that fits perfectly into a weight loss meal plan. Grilled veggie skewers. During the warmer months, Mom often fires up the grill for vegetable skewers. She combines colorful bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, red onions, and zucchini, drizzling them with a light balsamic glaze. Grilling imparts a smoky flavor, making these skewers a family favorite. Chickpea and vegetable curry. Mom's chickpea and vegetable curry is a hearty and flavorful option. She simmers chickpeas, tomatoes, and an assortment of veggies in a fragrant blend of spices. This curry is not only filling but also provides a good dose of plant-based protein. Baked sweet potato with sautéed greens. Mom often turns to the simplicity of a baked sweet potato paired with sautéed leafy greens like kale or spinach. It's a quick and nutritious dinner that's rich in fiber and vitamins, perfect for supporting weight loss goals. Mediterranean salad with grilled chicken. Mom's Mediterranean salad is a refreshing mix of crisp lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, olives, and feta cheese, topped with grilled chicken. The combination of lean protein and vibrant veggies makes it a satisfying and wholesome dinner choice. These recipes reflect your mom's commitment to creating delicious, vegetable-eccentric meals.